Mesa neta mo ring ligligang legwa no ring ausan tamong beauty pageants mumunang lalawin ng itsura o ang physical attributes ng metong kandidata. Bayo ka man makapakyabe, dakal standard sa kailangan tukyan kalupan na namunang edad, height requirement ang pong kailangan aliyat alasawa. O nengeni sasabay na mo naman kipamagbayan ng panahon ring beauty pageants, kalupan na namunang Miss Universe aleko ring dakal requirement qualifications. Panalwa na ng Miss Universe na alila kailangan deni ba nasabing malaguyang meto kay babaynan at misulong ang kanelang advokasya. Kim pamit alamitam daring 15 kandidata ng Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga king programa na ng CLTV anano pata. Paborable la kanuking panga-inclusive ng beauty pageant ay ni. Para kang Alaysa na Peñas, dapat bidinan la rin talagang spotlight ring indawling ilaring tunay si simbolo king masikan at empowered woman.
I really wanted to empower also moms because they are strong, really. They are the embodiment of empowered women. And it is just right for them to join this kind of pageant because as a woman, we are limitless.
Para naman kang Rena Flores, maulaga mo naman ikanuing representation para ka rin sablang manalbe.
Na pong karagol abage na hating kang akakit on stage na makarelate ka. Anya pong last Miss Universe, atin mo pong transgender, women on the heavy side. Bala mo atin pong tao na makaranas PCOS, di ba po? Magkasakit lang pong magpapayat, magdiet. Bala mo atin lang pong akakit, magrepresenta karela on stage.
Ang istorya naman ng bawat metong imburi ng ipakat kami lansangan na niya suportado na yung pamaglako karing requirements ng beauty pageants.
Pilitan na po kasi yung rules kay Miss Universe kasi buridangan po na makyabelangan ega na ganang kababaihan. Yung Miss Universe po kasi yung kabudtang lagu-lagu ka, mag-establish ka. It's all about the story you need to share to inspire people.
Karing pagipad na pa ding aliwang kandidata yung pang-inclusive na kanuning Miss Universe, insang kanong bakit may kapakyabe laking 2024 edition ng beauty pageant. Tagpasalamat na kanuning oportunidad, abiklat na rin kanelang Miss Universe organization. Samantala, marapat yung coronation night king daratang January 19, alas 7 ng Bengi King Royce Hotel king Clark Freeport Zone. Bangka nita makapanalbe, malyaring bisita king Miss Universe Philippine Pampanga official Facebook page para king ticket reservation. Yako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.